Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of December 4th, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is cookies. Gingerbread Friends by Jan Brett. The sassy gingerbread baby lived in a scrumptious gingerbread house in the bedroom of a boy named Matty. He was happy with the toys and treats that Matty made for him. Still, something was missing. One day, he watched Matty go off with his friends to ski and skate, and he knew what it was. I'm the gingerbread baby, happy as can be. Until Matty goes out, then it's lonely here for me. I want a friend of my own, the gingerbread baby thought. The next morning, Matty stayed home, but he was too busy in the kitchen to play, so the gingerbread baby slipped out and headed for the village to look for a friend. The gingerbread baby walked along the lane. He came to a bakery and saw a man and a woman just his size in the window. Maybe they would like to be my friends, he thought. Inside, the gingerbread baby popped up in front of them and sang, I'm the gingerbread baby, peppy as can be. I'll be friends with you if you'll be friends with me. But the man and the woman just stared straight ahead like statues, eyes wide open. The gingerbread baby saw a sugar cookie girl nearby. He cartwheeled across the marshmallow snow, singing, I'm the gingerbread baby, gallant as can be. I'll be friends with you if you be friends with me. But she didn't look at him, and she didn't say a word. Next, the gingerbread baby spotted 7 white swans swimming on a sugar frosting sea. He leaped toward them and called out in excitement, I'm the gingerbread baby, clever as can be. I'll be friends with you if you be friends with me. But the elegant swans didn't even honk a hello. They stayed exactly as they were, stiff and still. The gingerbread baby turned and gazed up at a cake as tall as a mountain with icy ledges, and a man and a woman dancing on top, petticoats and coattails flying. I'm the gingerbread baby, plucky as can be. I'll be friends with you if you be friends with me. But when he reached the top, he saw they weren't dancing at all. They were still as stone. The gingerbread baby was about to give up when he saw a door just his size. I'll go in there and think about what to do next, he thought. He slid down the cake and ran inside, where he fell sound asleep. Scritchy, scratchy. The gingerbread baby woke up and found himself face to face with a real live Mama Mouse nibbling on his marshmallow pom-pom. Oh no, he thought, home is the place for me. And he ran out of the bakery with the mouse and the cat, the baker and his wife not far behind him. As the gingerbread baby raced home on his rooster, the unfriendly creatures chasing him were joined by a red fox, who almost caught the gingerbread baby as he flew over the fence and ran into Matty's house just in time. Tired and sad, the gingerbread baby started to cry. I'm the gingerbread baby, lonely as can be. No one wants to be my friend as far as I can see. But then he heard some singing, and a trail of cupcakes caught his eye. He climbed the stairs, and you'll never guess what he found. We're gingerbread friends, playful as can be. We'll be friends with you if you'll be friends with me, and me, and me. Whee! The end. Alright, so we got some Play-Doh. We're going to play with some cookie cutters. Your Craft to Go kit is actually a recipe to make edible Play-Doh. It's made out of the little Christmas tree peeps that they sell in most stores. And you just melt them down with flour and Crisco and let it cool, and then you can play with it. We're not using that here. I'm just using regular Play-Doh. And what you'll need is some cookie cutters. I've got this gingerbread person, a Christmas tree, and a bell. And you'll need Play-Doh, or you can make the recipe. I know last session I gave you a Play-Doh recipe for regular Play-Doh too. That's really good. I also have this rolling pin, so I'm just gonna roll my Play-Doh out so that I can make a shape with it. And remember, you can do these over and over again. Use more Play-Doh to get more shapes cut out. And if you're eating it, you might use less Play-Doh because that's a lot of sugar. But here's my gingerbread person. I just push them down in there. Pull up the Play-Doh around it. And there it is. A little gingerbread baby. And if you want to, once you do that, you can kind of decorate them. Give them some eyes. Give them a smile. Maybe a little nose. Well, that's a big nose. That's cool. Maybe take a... Oh, you know what would be good is a paper clip. Give them some hair. So you can do all kinds of things with the Play-Doh. It's really fun, and you can do it again and again if you use regular Play-Doh. If you use the edible one, it can be very tasty. But there's my gingerbread guy, or person, whatever. And that's all there is to it.